I upload 4 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. I do surprise uploads. I do extra uploads. So you should subscribe, and then you'll know when I upload. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are returning, thank you for returning. And today we're doing a wig review, and I'm feeling super like fall. I got this like orange. I'm filming these looks, but this is the ColourPop Orange You Glad palette. I decided to pull out this cutie. This is Bobbi Boss, and this is Miss Porsha. And I have her in the I have her in the color copper / burgundy. It says that she's a hand-tied crown top, heat styling safe. Bobbi Boss will never tell you. It's like a secret. It's heat safe up to some degrees. The color that I have is the color that is on the stock card. I scooped her out from Glamour Tress for $18. So let's go ahead and let's get her. Ooh, this is such a cute, oh my gosh. It says it's copper burgundy, and it really, really is. I hope to gosh that it shows up on this camera. This is her. I'm loving her. I hope that you can see both the copper and the burgundy. There's even like some, let me just get it. There's even like some darker pieces, some like purples in there. This color is amazing. Not a huge ton of parting space. This is a full cap wig, 2 combs in the front. There is a small little lace parting that you could pluck out a little bit. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. Okay, let's just get her on and see what we're talking about. Oh, I can't see. I am loving this. Oh my gosh, the texture, oh, the color, you just have no idea. This is one of those colors that you have to see like in person. She's a long one. She's about at least 22 and a half, 22-ish long. Yeah, I'm 5'6.5", and she's going well below my chest, not quite to my belly button. So that's 22.5, I would say. It's a silky yaki texture. That's how I would describe it. Sort of like those Janet Collection ones that are like protein infused. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this. She's got the little like bumped end, which is nice. Wig cap is comfortable. I adjusted her. I wouldn't say she's like super big head friendly, but I think you could make it work because I adjusted it in and it's fitting snug. Oh my gosh. If you can see the color of it, look at that. You can really see it now. Look at the color variation of that. That's almost like a 99J underneath. Then it's got this burgundy copper mix. This is one of the prettiest color mixes I've ever seen. All right, let me play with her a minute and see what I can get going, if I need to trim the bangs or something. And then I'll be back. That didn't really take much. It's more just like your preference in terms of the bangs. I feel like, yeah, I could do that. Oh, and you really see that color differentiation. Yeah, that's a real word. Differential. I love this wig. It is the cutest wig. The color is gorgeous. It goes with my pumpkin makeup. All right, let's look at the back. Seriously. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So pretty. Yeah, it's gonna tangle a little bit. It'll be easy to get the tangles out. Like I said, it's a yaki texture. It's just sort of like that protein infused yaki. So you just have to keep on it, but it's not gonna be like really hard to untangle. You know, if you run a brush or comb through it, like every little bit. I'm getting a tiny bit of shedding, nothing I'm concerned about, but I am getting it. Yeah, I would definitely get the bangs where I wanted them and then spray them down a little bit. Bangs are usually like a preference situation. I just like it so that it covers the wig cap, but I definitely like a tuck behind the ear. Oh yeah, look at that color. Oh, so beautiful. So yeah, this is Miss Porsha. I'm so feeling this chick, like for real. I potentially will have to like do a little bit to get the bangs where I like it, but that's like not a big, huge deal. Like I said, that's a preferential thing. It's just about getting the bangs like where you like them. I'm almost completely happy with where I have them. And yeah, and that's a great thing about wigs. Once you get things like put where you want, you don't have to worry about like completely restyling them all the time. Yes, I love this wig. So yeah, that's my review on Porsha. Short and sweet. She's gorgeous. Grab her up. I think she would look gorgeous in any color, but this coloring is amazing. So, okay. If there are any other Bobbi Boss wigs you would like me to review, please put that down below. If there's any banged units that you'd like me to review, please put those down below as well. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.